Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to create a trending video using AI. With just one free tool, you can easily make this trending video. Let's check it out together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8.
On the right, you'll see a video made by a YouTuber, and on the left, there's one made using AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a trending video using AI. Let's jump right in and start the tutorial. First, go to artflow.ai. I've included the link in the description. Click on the first option, Actor Builder. On this page, you'll see different images that you can use. You can even use images from other AI tools. I'll select this image, click on it, and press Change Image. Now, we have several options to modify the image. I'll explain each option so you can easily use whichever one you like. At the top of the page, you'll see 3 modes for creating the image, and next to that, you can choose the image size. For the avatar mode, you can use default poses or custom ones. You can adjust the pose control from this section. Before clicking Generate, you can add different styles to your image. There are various models here, and you can pick the one that suits your taste. Here's a fun suggestion. You can choose one image and create the video in different styles. I think that would be pretty cool. Anyway, let's hit Generate and wait for the final image to be ready. It may take a little time. Now, the images are ready. We'll review them one by one and select the most suitable one to download. Now, let's go back to the main page, or choose Video Studio from the side menu. Here, by selecting Create New Video from Scratch, we'll be taken to a new page. On this page, we can add our chosen image to any of the sections. I'll select the image I had in mind for this video. As you can see, it recognizes and approves the image instantly. At the top bar, there's a character option that we don't need. Next is the audio option, and finally the visual effects option, which we also don't need for now. From the audio section, choose any voice you like. Now it's time to write the dialogue we need. Our dialogue is counting numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 8. Let's listen to the audio to make sure it's correct. Then, from the top of the page, hit Export to get the final video. This might take a little time. And now, we have our video. You can add cool ideas to it, like using different characters or adding background music to create your video. You've just created a trending video easily using AI.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 8.
Feel free to experiment and come up with your own creative ideas. By inviting your friends to this site, you can earn gems or even subscribe to the site. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Share this video with your friends. Until next time, happy creating!